Most HVAC concerns occur when you least expect it, and often at the most inconvenient times. No heat to defrost the windshield? Roasting in the summer heat? The vehicle's heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system is composed of 3 subsystems that all work together to provide conditioned air to the vehicle cabin. The heating part takes heat from the engine coolant and transfers it to the incoming air. The ventilation part moves and directs the air within the cabin, and the air condition part cools and dehumidifies the air within the cabin. When they are working normally, they keep you comfortable during all weather conditions. Key components of the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system include heater core, thermostat, blower fan, HVAC controls, condenser, compressor, and evaporator. Leaks, worn or malfunctioning components can cause a loss of heat, poor or no airflow, insufficient cool air, noises, or objectionable odors.
Thank you.